Online learning has transformed access to education, but when learners get stuck, video alone is not enough. Adult learners need more than information. They need guidance, feedback, and the ability to understand the reasoning behind a skill as they learn it. That's why researchers at AI-ALOE created Ivy. Ivy is an intelligent AI coach embedded directly into instructional videos. Instead of simply watching, learners can ask questions at any moment about a concept, a procedural step, or the logic behind a solution, and Ivy responds in real time.
When we designed Ivy, we wanted to rethink what an online course could be. Most video lessons do not let learners go deeper into the underlying skills or the reasoning behind a solution. So adult learners are often left on their own when they hit that moment of confusion. Ivy changes that by turning a video into an interactive experience where you can ask how and why questions right in the middle of the lesson. Under the hood, Ivy combines a structured knowledge representation with generative AI to provide explanations to support problem solving.
Ivy doesn't rely on simple retrieval or textbook definitions. Instead, it uses structured representations of procedural skills through the task method knowledge model. When a learner asks a question, Ivy moderates it, evaluates how complex the question is, and then retrieves the exact TMK components it needs. Using a large language model, it infers over the procedural knowledge encoded in the TMK model and refines the explanation step by step. The result is an answer that captures the logic behind the procedure, the causal relationships, and the reasoning that help learner build problem-solving ability. And if a question falls outside of Ivy's scope, it quietly forwards it to the Jill Watson so the learner still receives support.
Being part of the foundational development of Ivy, one of our goals was to help learners move beyond memorizing definition and really understand how a skill works in practice. Ivy supports that by engaging deeper problem-solving conversations. A learner can ask how to apply a skill step by step, and Ivy can respond with explanations that reflect the teleological and causal reasoning built into its knowledge model. We also design interactive exercises that are embedded directly within the video, so you can pause the lesson, try a problem, and get real-time feedback. The system even preserves your chat history across lessons to support continuity.
It supports the kind of learning where you understand how a skill works, why the steps matter, and how to apply it. That is the level of engagement we want to deliver as we deploy Ivy to support a full course coming soon.